This video explains how to enter a newly manufactured item in the coding system. From the main screen of the SNIG program, you select the coding module, double-click the coding files, and double-click the items screen. Select and click the new record button. This item is a finished product. This is the item kind. The item type is M-Discs, which stands for manufacturer disk. Application, let's choose G, which stands for granite, and the case we can select either N, new, or R regardless. Let's select new. Okay, the subgroup of the manufactured item, I will enter 12,100, which is the circular saw blades greater than or equal 900, excluding multi-disc. All other fields are the same. We have no AN code, of course, no new AN, no supplier status. Yet we can have an inventory unit, which is always piece, minimum stock, maybe. Technical specs is not applicable here, but what's applicable here is the bill of material. We cannot edit the bill of material field. Again, as the technical specs was entered in the leftmost table, the bill of material must be entered here in the middle table. We go to this table and enter the code of every substance or material, raw material, entering in manufacturing this finished product. Let's do it now. 1B 21380 with quantity 1 with 1B 21384 with quantity 80. Okay, and now let's try to save without entering the DBMA code and see what the system will respond. You must enter the DBMA code. The system refuses to save unless we enter the DBMA code, but the system insists that you must enter this DBMA code in a certain format. Let's try putting any format and try to save. A message from the system: the first 10 characters only of the code should be entered in the form of 2 digits dash 1 digit dash 1 digit dash 2 digits and then dash. So you must stick to this format. The reason of forcing to stick to this format is that all the manufactured items in the system have for a long time used to be in this pattern, and we didn't want to change it, although it is not relevant now because it doesn't represent anything. Yet we just want to be the same as the old coding. So let's do it. 12 1 2 75 dash. Okay, now the system is supposed to calculate the rest 3 digits of this code when we press save. Yes, it calculated it. As you see, these 007 means that this is the next serial in all the items starting with 12 1 2 75 in this system. Now the bill of material field has a value which reflects the data entered in the table of the bill of material. Why we have populated this data in this field? In order to allow to search for items whose bill of material consists or contains certain items with certain quantities. Now the manufactured item has entered the system and is ready to be used, but we cannot use it unless we assign it to a unit and give it a unit code or an item name in this unit and a status. But this is the subject of another video.